Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. We are going to unlock this Heist pack. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Marvel Heroclix Deadpool Weapon X Heist pack, which, as you can see from the box, it looks like a safe. Okay, with bullets, shurikens, and others. Okay, and this includes one pre-painted collectible miniature. On the side of the box, we see a preview of the miniature, which is Deadpool and Hit Monkey. Okay, so this is from an extension of the Deadpool Weapon X set. So on the other side of the box, you can see the same illustration. And at the back, we have a brief description. Get ready to pull off the next big score with the first ever Marvel HeroClix Deadpool Weapon X Heist Pack. Skip the monkey business and crack into this miniature vault of mayhem, including an exclusive Deadpool and Hit Monkey figure. It's a safe bet. This is one heist you won't want to miss. Okay, so this is a product for 2024, and I purchased this online in the WizKids store. Okay, because I am, as you know, trying to collect all X-Men related products. And of course, for 2024, the X-Men related set is Deadpool Weapon X. So I have to get this heist pack, and moreover, I wasn't able to pull the chase of the Deadpool and Hit Monkey where they are wearing white suits. So I guess this black suit uh, figure will suffice for now until such a time I get my hands on the chase. Okay, so let's see. So seemingly everything's here. Ooh, I love the style of the card. It looks very like comics. Okay, anime actually to some extent. Okay, so something unique. And this is the figure. Is there another card? There's another card. Okay, so there's two cards because it's 202 and 202.1. Okay, so let's pop the figure out of the clamshell. Okay, so we see here. Okay, so there are Deadpool seems to be calling on someone. Okay, and Hit Monkey is just standing his ground. I don't know if he's laughing or not. Okay, but this is again one dynamic pose. Okay, so let's take a look at what it does. Beginning with the regular card. Okay, Deadpool and Hit Monkey has the Underworld team ability. Okay, Deadpool Core Weapon X Animal Assassin. Keywords: the trait is the Heist. When an unequipped character hits with a range attack, they may choose an equipment equipped to a hit character. If they do, after resolutions, they equip that equipment. Okay, so basically stealing someone's equipment after a successful range attack, okay, is really good. Okay, so and it doesn't require any keyword. Anyone that in your any friendly character can benefit from that trait. And a special defense power, standoff, stop combat reflexes. When Deadpool and Hit Monkey takes damage from a range attack after resolutions, you may deal the attacker two unavoidable damage. So this is Wade Wilson and Hit Monkey. And that particular, so this means that this figure loves to fight at a distance. Okay, so I guess that's the assassinate from a distance. Okay, because they steal equipment and at the same time they deal damage against range attacker themselves. Okay, so he has running shot, precision, invincible, and range combat expert. So making him effectively 9 reach to targets. 4 damage can be split. Okay, and then he has that special defense power on click number 8 for 80 points, 8 clicks of life. Not too shabby. Okay, let's take a look at the team up card. So the team up card is basically an extension, an alternate card, and it has additional powers usually. Okay, so in this case, an additional trait which is team up underworld. At the beginning of the game, if all friendly characters have the underworld team ability, this game, when friendly characters use the underworld, they may use it regardless of keywords and point values. Okay, so the underworld team ability would will give you passenger 1, but only to carry a character that shares a keyword. Okay, or passenger 2, but only to carry characters that share a keyword and are lower points. Okay, so and if you all have that underworld, then it just neglects that rule. Okay, so meaning you can carry, everyone can carry everyone else regardless of point and keywords. Okay, and that can be really interesting because I'm not so sure how many has the what you call this underworld team ability in modern. Okay, but for sure, uh, there's going to be enough for you to make to utilize this. Okay, so Deadpool and Hitmonkey is not also unique, so I guess you can use multiple of this if you like that. Okay, and just carry everyone else. So anyway, that is the end of this short video. What do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And we had a successful heist. Bye bye.